Daniel, you take this one and you smell it. It's very nice. Take it out of the cover. Yeah. Yeah. Smell it. It's good?
Yeah, it's a little strong. Maybe it won't be so strong when it's cooked.
Yeah. Okay. Today I want to make this Bak Kut Teh. It's a Malaysian dish, Chinese dish, and it's mixed up and spicy. And I need to make it vegetarian, so Dan also can try this meal. And this Dan bring it from US. When he US, he ordered from Amazon because you couldn't get Malaysia food stuff in Latin America. It is very hard, so this is quite expensive food that he bring it for me. From here it say that you add 1.5 liter of the water, bring it boil for 30 minutes at medium heat, and you also add the garlic and this ingredient inside. So I boil the water first. What I have here is garlic. I already peel it because I like to eat. It's more easier, and mushroom, and the egg, and the vegetarian meat, and this is the indigo rice. It's a brown rice. This is a brown rice, and we have the rice cooker, so it's super easy to cook the rice. This one is the meat of and the spicy. It's all only leaf. It's no meat inside. I love this. Oof. I will write the ingredients if you want to know what is the herb here. So you have 2 sachets. Oh, I love this one. Put in the water. Actually, I have to put all the ingredient, garlic and the mushroom inside, and this, and also this fake meat inside. And also the egg. No meat, so we use egg, we use mushroom, we use the fake vegetarian meat as well. Now close and wait. Ding, 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 ding. I want to show you guys this washing machine. It's not automatic, so after you wash and dry, wash it out the detergent, and then you need to put it here. This kind of the washing machine is very seldom to see in Malaysia, but they still sell it. So I know how to use it because my house, before we have this kind of the washing machine, when the washing machine coming out like this type. So so I know how to use this washing machine. Luckily I learned before. And then going to the spring over here and here. This the dance. I dance my Bak Kut Teh. Ding 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 ding. Is this the cilantro? Now Daniel will try it.
It's delicious.
You like it?
Oh yeah.
How is the meat?
Very nice soy meat.
It's nice.
It's very nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Just put the rice in a bowl or bowl in the rice.
It's anything that you want.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, this one is.
Am I good?
It tastes like Malaysia.
Yeah, it's like we're eating in Malaysia.
Well, this is the Malaysia dishes, so this is really good. I like this one.
We're outside Malaysia. We have a Malaysian chef who's making Malaysian food that was brought in from America. It's very nice, huh? Do you like the meat?
Yeah. Oh. With the garlic, when you eat the garlic, wow, it's good. Have you eaten the garlic yet?
Not yet. There's got to be one here somewhere.
Yeah.
It's delicious, huh?
Here, I give you garlic.
These eat a whole clove, huh?
Yeah.
It's mushy.
thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the bell. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.